Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing how to delete Duolingo account permanently. Firstly, you need to open your web browser according to your preference. On the search bar, click over there and search duolingo.com. Tap on I already have an account. Sign in on Duolingo account you want to delete, enter password. Tap on profile at the bottom of the screen. After that, tap on settings at the top right corner. Now you need to scroll down at the bottom of the page. As you can see, there is an option delete my account. Tap on it and then scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on erase personal data to delete your personal information. It will send you an email where a link is sent on your email inbox. Here you can see Duolingo has sent a link. Tap on a link that says delete my account. Now you have confirmed that you want to delete your account and you can restore your account within 7 days, and after that your account will be deleted permanently. And this is how you delete Duolingo account permanently. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming video. Thank you.